Hi everyone. The full moon in Sagittarius is just around the corner. It will be here June 3rd around midnight, at least in Central Time, pretty close to midnight. So for some people it will be June 3rd, and for others, depending on where you are in the world, it will actually be on June 4th. And so I know some of you have been requesting that I do more of these moon related videos, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing here. So let's look into the energies and the suggestions and recommendations for the Sagittarius full moon that is coming up this week. All right, let's take a look at the first row up here. We have the Hierophant, we have the Devil, and we have the Four of Cups. So this is a point in time on our journey where it's important for us to recenter ourselves, to ground ourselves, and to start putting some structures into place. Maybe with the recent Taurus new moon, we have let a lot of our structures and our grounding fall by the wayside. Maybe we have allowed our emotions to kind of spill over and haven't really been doing the work and putting in the focus that we need in order to create what we're looking to create in our lives. And of course, that's okay. Sometimes we need to go down that path and kind of allow ourselves to spill over a little bit and allow ourselves a bit of freedom. But the Sagittarius full moon is saying, hey, it's time to start bringing things back into focus. With the Devil, this kind of ties into how have you been over the past 2 weeks? Have you allowed your emotions to spill all over the place? Have you lost sight of your structures and your routines? Have some of you maybe taken to the bottle, whether that is literally or maybe that is in your own particular way? Maybe you have not only allowed your emotions to spill over, but maybe your tears. And again, there's nothing wrong with that, but maybe we've been doing that to an excess, and it's time for us to wrap up that cycle. It's time for us to gather ourselves back up. It's time for us to focus our energies. It's time for us to remember that we create our own reality. And that starts with finding ourselves again, defining what we're looking for, and looking forward. With the Four of Cups, we may be in this position right now where we wanted a particular thing and nothing else measures up to that for us. If this is in love, maybe there's a particular person that you wanted and you got a rejection, or maybe you feel like you're put out in the cold or you've been isolated in some way. And you may think, but universe, I want that person. Why can't I have that? Can't I have whatever it is that I want? And the guidance for the Sagittarius full moon is accept whatever offers are coming to you. Don't decide that there's only one way or one path or one package. Open yourself up to whatever gifts the universe is giving to you, because you may be very, very pleasantly surprised. And it may be exactly what you need at this point on your journey. And maybe that thing or that person that you think that you lost is going to come back, but there are certain lessons that you need to learn or certain experiences that you need to have first before you can bring that thing back into your life, because maybe you're not ready for it. And maybe that sounds annoying. Well, I think I'm ready for it, Trishna. I think I'm ready for it, universe. And I think in many ways you are, because if you weren't, you wouldn't be able to see that thing. You wouldn't have come so close. But there may be certain things that will come to light, maybe in hindsight, maybe along the journey, where you will realize later on that, you know what, I can see why I needed to go down another experience first, build myself back up, or gain some kind of experience or some kind of knowledge, some kind of perspective that really will make this thing that I want, that I feel left, make it so that when I get that thing, I can keep it and I understand how to work with it, and I'm in my power when it's here. Moving down to the next row, we have the Knight of Pentacles. We have the Nine of Wands again. That was here in the last reading as well for the Taurus new moon. And we have the Fool. There is an offer coming for you. We see that with the Four of Cups, and we see that here with the Knight of Pentacles. There is an offer coming here for you. It may already be here. Maybe you can't see it, or maybe you can, and you're like, I don't know. I think I deserve better. I think I deserve more. And the answer is yes, you do, and no, you don't. The universe is like, Can't you just pick one, universe? The answer is yes, you do deserve more. Of course, you deserve everything that you want. The answer is no, you don't deserve more, because there is something special that is being offered to you that you just can't see or that you're not allowing yourself to embrace. And there is real magic that is wanting to present itself to you. So you do deserve more than what you think this is, but you do also deserve this because it's more than you realize that it is. So accept the things that are coming to you. When this offer comes to you, if it hasn't already, or even if it has, your first reaction may be to be suspicious. Is this for real? Is this me settling? Is this fake? Can I trust this? And kind of like with the Taurus new moon follow-up reading, it's important that we let down our arms and that we start moving into the Fool energy of let's just embrace what's coming to us. Now, at this point in time, that can feel a little terrifying. It's like, wait, Trishna, hold on. You want me to throw caution to the wind, huh? Well, guess what? I trusted that certain things were going to materialize and then they didn't. I did trust once upon a time, and that bit me in the butt, and it bit hard. And now you want me to go back to that? Yes. Not because you need to just trust blindly, but rather because you need to let go of the arms that you're bearing right now. It is holding back the things that you want, and even the things that are coming, you're not allowing yourself to receive. You're not allowing yourself to have it, and for some of you, not even allowing yourself to notice that it's there. It might be just behind the veil, ready to show itself to you, but it can't cross the veil because you're bearing those arms. And so this isn't necessarily about trusting. This isn't about forgetting past lessons. This is just about opening your energy up to being able to receive, and then honoring the gift that the universe is giving you, because it is important for you. It offers more than you're able to see right now, but your mind is currently clouded. So then we have the Eight of Cups, the Sun, and the Wheel of Fortune. If you follow this guidance, you will be able to rebuild the ways in which you have been hurting, the ways in which you feel like you've lost something. You will be able to rebuild that. You'll be able to bring back your confidence. You'll be able to bring back your trust. Maybe not in the universe if that's not what you're looking for, but your trust in yourself, in your capabilities. Yeah, your confidence, your sense of self-worth, it's coming back. You'll be able to build it. You've been working on it, right? Just because up here it's been saying, hey, have you been allowing your emotions to spill over a little bit too much? You need to reel it in. You need to get back to your routines. You need to be grounded. You have actually been doing that in a more splishy, splashy way, but you've been working on things. That has not been lost on the universe, and it's building towards something real. It's building towards you regaining that confidence. The final push is allowing yourself to embrace bearing or letting go of those arms, entering into Fool energy again. Let go of the old cycle that has hurt you. Let go of it. Let go of it and enter into the Fool, which is a brand new journey. Turn the Wheel of Fortune here. Turn it yourself. Decide, I'm going back to the beginning. Going back to the beginning. I'm ending this cycle. I'm going to something new. The Sun, a lot of success wants to come to you. Again, if you follow this guidance, you're going to have a lot of success. For some of you, you may have a new child entering into your life. Maybe you will have a new sibling that is unexpected. Maybe you'll have a new nephew or niece. Feels a little bit more masculine energy to me. Or you may be having a kid of your own and find out about that. But a child is coming into your life, or maybe you're going to meet a nephew or niece for the first time, and they may only be 4 or 5 years old. So somebody young is coming into your life, as well as success and brightness and joy. So again, the work that you've been doing is leading you to happiness. It's ready for you. You just have to let go of the arms that you're bearing and be open to embracing whatever the universe wants to give you right now, knowing that it is going to lead you to the specific things that you have been wanting all this time. Just not yet. I get 2 to 3. Some of you guys will be able to get the thing, that specific thing that you want, in 2 to 3 years. Some of you in 2 to 3 months. So it really just kind of depends on what that thing is and how willing you are to let go of the arms that you're holding up, and also personal cycles and plans and things like that. So for some of you, it's pretty soon. For some of you, there's a lot of growth that needs to happen, both on your side and maybe the other side, and that's okay. You're not going to be left empty-handed this whole time. You're being offered things. Enjoy them, embrace them, and know that they are leading you to what you're looking for. And the Wheel of Fortune, you can help it along, but it is going to be turning for you if you take this guidance. If you enter into the Fool, then of course you are helping this wheel to turn. Bottom of the deck, 10 of Pentacles. For those of you looking for financial abundance to come into your life, this is going to get you there. This is going to help you. This is going to soothe the energy that you are holding and straining with and help you release it so you can bring in that abundance. For those of you looking for love, if this is a love reading for you, you're going to have that happy home, a happy family, the whole shebang. You are on that path. This is all leading you to that path, even if the line and the path does not seem straight. If it feels like you're getting off the path, you are not. Sometimes our path is a zigzag, at least from our perspective, when that zigzag is actually the quickest, straightest path from Spirit's perspective. So I know with the full moon, especially it being Sagittarius, usually that is about letting go, being adventurous. And I think that's something that you can incorporate into this. Being adventurous is like the Fool energy, kind of taking those leaps, letting go of the arms and the suspicions. But you still need some structure too, kind of bringing that back in. So yeah, full moons are also about releasing, but you're actually building right now. You've been building and you are kind of reaching the fruition of that. So keep going, keep working on these things. Things are working out even though it does not seem like it is. But it is. So kind of take the journey. Remember, it is a journey. As much as we love it and we hate it, it is a journey. And you will bear that 10 of Pentacles. It will be yours. So I'm going to leave this here. If you're interested in a personalized reading, at this point on your journey, you can find me working away in my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is www.etsy.com/shop/psychicts. The link is also in the description box below. And I also have a course for any light workers and starseeds that are wanting to connect more deeply with their own vision and their own gifts. You can find that at my personal website, www.spiritualactivationacademy.com, and also a link in the description box below. And if you're wanting to get your own guidance by yourself, I do also have meditations in my Etsy shop that will allow you to do just that. So with that, I will leave you here, and I will catch you in the next one.